Hey, Silver Stackers! So, War and Mystery Chronicles just dropped a Silver Market Broke video, and I'm going to say something that might surprise people. They actually got a lot of the fundamentals right. Out of the claims I reviewed, most of the important structural points checked out. Industrial demand pressure, mining supply constraints, and the idea that physical premiums can widen during fast moves. That's the real silver story, and it's genuinely bullish. The part they got right. Silver did hit $67. Let's get this straight. Silver hitting $67 is not the issue. Silver really did trade in the high 60s, and Friday's close was around 67 and change, depending on the pricing feed you're looking at. So I'm not here to dunk on the price action. The move is real. Where the video goes off the rails, dealers went dark, metal vanished. The real price is $77. This is where the presentation turns into a disaster movie trailer. Yes, in fast markets, premiums can jump and specific products can go out of stock. That's normal market friction. But saying the metal has vanished or implying a broad dealer blackout, that's a claim that needs dealer-level evidence, not just vibes and screenshots. Because when you check major dealers during these spikes, what you usually see is some SKUs sold out, some restock delays, some premiums widening, but not a total extinction event. So instead of physical is gone, the accurate version is physical pricing gets messy during volatility, and availability varies by product and dealer. That's still a big deal, and it's true, without turning it into panic content. The real bullish story, and it's strong enough without fear marketing. Here's what matters if you're thinking like an adult investor instead of a clickbait algorithm. Industrial demand is real. Solar, electronics, EVs, data centers. The growth narrative is legit. Supply is constrained and new mine supply doesn't appear overnight. Silver is volatile and can overshoot, which is why you don't make decisions based on a single emergency broadcast video. And to be clear, mainstream reporting has acknowledged silver pushing into record territory above the mid-60s this week. My takeaway: War and Mystery Chronicles is onto something with the fundamentals, but the dealer panic framing is overstated, and that matters, because fear makes people do dumb things with money. What's also worth noticing is that this isn't just one channel. A whole cluster of channels are pushing near-identical narratives at the same time, using the same AI-written scripts, the same cloned narration style, and often the same recycled on-screen persona. When multiple outlets suddenly drop the same emergency storyline with the same phrasing and tone, that's not organic market discovery. That's template-driven fear marketing. Silver doesn't need a synthetic panic voice or a deep fake anchor to be compelling. The real story holds up just fine in daylight. Silver is already exciting. You don't have to pretend it's the end of the bullion world to make the case. Stay bullish if you're bullish. Just stay honest while you do it. And hey, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I'd appreciate it. Not because of the algorithm. I genuinely don't care about that. But because I want an audience that actually cares about clear thinking and real data. Subscribing doesn't cost you anything, and if you click the bell, you'll know when I put out new content like this. And while you're at it, head over to SilverIntel.report. That's where we're doing the real work. Articles built from live news feeds, real-time precious metals market data, mining and supply tracking, coverage from some of the best voices in the space, and ongoing monitoring of silver-related mining stocks. No hype, no fear, just solid information. Thanks for being here. Take care.